Right.
Yeah, that's it. Do you want a cup of tea or coffee or anything?
I'll have a vodka if you got some, mate. Nah, I'm alright, mate. So what's happening? Old sap for only 701 Optima.
Just from Sunday there, it's just we had a power cut here in the area Sunday.
Yeah.
And we just come back then and there was nothing on the boiler working. So I restarted again. It sort of comes on for a little bit, and then it just stops. And like, I turned it on, I turned everything off yesterday and I relit it then today.
Yeah.
And it sort of started to heat up the radiators and then all of a sudden it's just cut off again, like.
Okay. Where'd you put the pressure in on this? Down here, is it? Oh.
That's it in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Your hot water work okay?
No.
Hot water doesn't work either?
No.
Okay.
It started to work there this morning and it all of a sudden that cut out then as well.
It might just have been that pressure, you know. We'll try it, I'm not saying it is, but I know these are like, these old boilers just bang on the mark with. Okay, so nothing seems to be, is that at least your hot tap in it?
Yeah, that is, yeah.
Okay, pilot time. Okay.
Well, we've got plans to do extension next year, so I just want to keep it going till.
So we're looking so we can stop the boiler coming on completely. Possibly an NTC sensor. Let's just see if this fan's running. It's permanent pilot, so the fan runs all the time anyway at slow speed, if I remember rightly. I might be wrong. Check the MTC readings. What's going on with that, look? Same with it. Let's see that back. NTC sensor's been altered. Connection, Rob. Oh yeah, you're right. Yes, ma'am. there on the neutral. So I've had a power cut. Drop the fuse out while we expose the electrics into this boiler. Just check the polarity coming in. It's been a while, so the mains is underneath. These circuit boards were a nightmare to change back in the day. The old ferrolis, F77s. Is right for you. The neutral's good. Neutral earth, live earth. Relay clicking away there. Something's buzzing. Track that one back. And there's our fan, which is that one there. Goes to X5 on the board. So we'll just see what we've got coming off that. X5 number 2 should be in the neutral, I presume. It's 240. Terminal 1 is 0, nothing. So we're just going to check the instructions on that. Something's not looking right there. So it's been a while since we worked on one of these. Obviously, we better run newer boilers nowadays because we work on them more often. And that's your light sequence, your diagnostics. So I was struggling to make sense of what was going on just, and then I realised that LED diagnostics is not actually switched onto the board, clicked onto the board properly. So if we turn that on now, you can't really see the light sequence it's on. I'm going to stop this and turn it back on without the flash. As you can see, we've got a red one illuminated and an amber one illuminated. And if we turn the power off and put the diagnostic lights in the right place, we can start making sense of things. See, just wasn't lined up properly. Okay, so that's now on. Turn the power back on. As you can see, completely different light sequence. So what's going on with this boiler? Check continuity down through the limit stat, which is the first one there. That's fine. NTC sensors, we've checked the resistances of those. So 2 green ones there, you can see them on the pipes at the back. 2 red wires going to it, one there with 2 blue wires, so one's already adapted. We've got a permanent pilot. So what should happen with this boiler is the fan should run at low speed, but dissipate a small percentage of fumes and heat produced by the pilot light. And it should be supplied with about 100 volts. We're getting 230 volts constantly. So the fan's got the wrong voltage going out to the fan. We've also got cross polarity going out to the fan, which won't really make a difference because it's just a motor, it just turns. So the light sequence comes in, it's sensing a demand for hot water. The NTC lights are not coming on. However, we've got no demand. So we're just going to double check the air pressure switch. But this is looking like a board fault. One, we heard a relay that was sticky on there 5 minutes ago when we was doing some testing, and it kind of freed itself. We've got the wrong voltage going out to the fan. So it's hard, it's an old boiler, it's hard to test anything else really. You've got the incorrect voltages going out to start with. Okay, so we'll just check the continuity. okay. So the air pressure switch is okay. So if the fans run at 240 volts all the time, then that should be enough to activate the air pressure switch and keep it activated the whole time. So we're just going to introduce a bit of power now. There we go. So we've got no demand for heating or hot water, yet our fan's running flat out. It's activating the air pressure switch, which is possibly causing a relay fault on the board. So what you've got now ain't really suitable for what you've already got with 2 bathrooms.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And the idea of underfloor heating is it runs at a much lower temperature.
Yeah, but it's just, yeah.
So you need a boiler that can cope with the modulation and set it up properly. And to be honest with you, Viessmann's probably best on the market for that. So if you kind of fit a Viessmann combi or something now, you can still change it, the pipe work, to suit what you've got.
Yeah.
You're not going to need another boiler.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's what I would do.